In this video, we'll show you how to upgrade or change your Google One storage on your Android device. To check your storage, open the Google One app. At the bottom of the screen, tap Storage. Here you can see how much storage you're using. If you share Google One with family members, you can also see their storage usage. If you need to clear storage space, tap Free Up Storage Space. On this screen, you can remove extra files to free up storage space. To change your storage plan, tap the menu button in the top left corner. Then tap Membership Plans to view your current plan and subscription details. To upgrade to more storage space, choose a new plan under Upgrade Options. To find smaller storage plans, tap Downgrade Options. If there's no downgrade option, you're already on the lowest plan. Once you've decided on a new plan, tap the plan price to purchase. Tap Continue. Confirm the plan details and tap Subscribe. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Google One, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.